How to change Alexa name or wake word to something better. Anyone who owns an Echo device or another Alexa enabled smart speaker will know that Alexa is the name wake up word for Amazon virtual assistant, except it does not have to be. You can change Alexa name and choose to wake her up using several other names. What you need to know before changing Alexa name's wake word. Alexa name and wake word are essentially the same thing as far as Amazon is concerned. The name of its virtual assistant is Alexa. However, users can change the name they use to wake Alexa up, thus changing her wake word. So, also change her name in your household and on your devices. You used to be able to change Alexa names, wake up word using your voices. You should simply say Alexa change your wake word to name, and the devices within range would follow your command. But that no longer words with Alexa directing you to use the app instead. You can't change Alexa name, wake, word to anything you want. Instead, you can choose from Alexa, Amazon, Computer, Echo, and Ziggy. The last one being a reference to the computer featured in the TV show Quantum Leap. You can only change Alexa name, wake word on a device at a time. So if you own multiple Echo devices or Alexa enabled smart speakers, you shall need to change each one in turn using the Alexa app. How to change Alexa names, wake word in the Alexa app. To change Alexa name or wake word using the Alexa app, if you have not already done so, grab the Alexa app for Android or iOS from the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store respectively. Once you have the app set up, open it and click devices in the menu at the bottom of the screen. You shall see a list of devices. Select one whose wake word you want to change. From that pop-up window, click the setting oak at the top right to get the device setting. Scroll down the list of setting until you see wake word with the current name visible underneath it. Why you might want to change Alexa name wake word. So why would you want to change Alexa name to something? The most practical reason why you might want to change Alexa name to something else is a member of your household is called Alexa, or sometimes Alexa, or sometimes that sound close to either of those. As without changing the name, you could wake Alexa, the virtual assistant, up every time you say your family member's name. Changing Alexa name wake word also offers some variety. So if you are bored with the shooting Alexa at your smart speaker, changing the name need to rouse Amazon's virtual assistant to something else is the easiest way to alleviate that. Finally, it offers you the opportunity to either prank family members or impress guests if they are unaware that changing Alexa name is even an opinion, showing off that you have done so will leave them in aware of your technical skills for the least at a few times, especially if you change the name Ziggy and they are fans of the Quantum Leap.